Today we are going to hex mesh a solid sphere. So just I will create one sphere here of around the 10 mm radius. This sphere has been created. As we already know that this is not a mappable solid, then there are basically two ways to hex mesh a sphere. Will see both ways. So firstly, the easier and more simpler ways to split it and to make the revolve option to basically generate the hex mesh. So just I will make one split here and then I will make one more split from the mid here. And once this is done, I can just put here and split this. Now I can take just one solid here and I will just try to do the 2D mesh first on this face and then I will revolve this. So I will go to 2D. Instead of freeform mesh, I will use batch mesh and I just click on mesh and think this mesh has been generated. And now I can just go to this topology revolve option to just revolve this mesh. So this up to 360 I want it and I will just need 30 divisions along this revolve. So this is created. Now I don't need now no longer the 2D mesh, so I will delete this. Geometry also I will hide it. Now I just need to mirror this about this plane. Go to mirror, select all the elements, plane. I just need this plane, but I will set it through this move tool option. Just drag this tool up to any point here and this arrow anywhere here and this arrow to anywhere this node. And I will go to keep original, mirror this. Sorry, one second. Plane, I will select this plane. Move tool, I will go to here. Will place this move tool here and this plane I need to select this plane. Okay, now it should work. Yeah. Now, as it is created, the hex mesh of this sphere is created, but it is not connected. So I just need to go to validate equivalence and just go to all the elements, make it review. You can see this elements needs to be equivalence and just click on OK. Your sphere hex mesh of the sphere is completed. So the other way of doing the hex meshing of this sphere is I've divided it into basically 8 parts, and now I'm taking this part and I have deleted all other solids. So basically, if you can go here and see this, this is not a mappable solid. So we will make it mappable. Firstly, let me just create some temporary nodes here. So I'll create one temporary node here and here one temporary node. And by the way, I will just measure the distance. This is 5 mm. This will also be a 5 mm only. Okay. So I'll create just one cube here. So from here to here, here, sorry, one second. So this I need to click on 5. This is also 5. Done. So this is one more solid. And now I will just move this to some other component. So I have moved this into a different component, and now I will use this move tool here. So firstly I will just uh, change this to, I'll just control, I will just press shift and put it at the very end of this vertices here, and then I will release the shift, and then I will just, with the origin of this move tool, I will just put here, and I'll just align this with center. Now I will again put the move tool here, and again I will put shift here and put it into the other vertices, and I will just drag it here. Okay, so now I just need to split this. So I will go to 3D boolean intersect, and target will be this sphere part, and tool will be this cube, and I will make sure this keep targets is switched on. Put intersect here. So as you can see now, I can delete this component, and just okay. Now if I go to map solids, now this cube is fully mappable in all three direction, and this is mappable in one direction. So it becomes mappable now. So for time being, I will just hide this solid. Sorry. And then we can just do the hex mesh of the other part also. Go to map here, just click on this and mesh it. So this way our hex mesh is done for this part of the sphere. Now we will just go on and reflect mirror this. uh, just click on this here, and plane I can select this one and move it here. Yeah, move it here and mirror this. Done. Then again I will just do here, plane I will select this plane, and I will drag it here and then just mirror this. Done. Then again I will just select all the elements, and then plane I will select this plane and I will just move it here, then mirror this. Done. Now it is not connected, this mesh is not connected. So what we will do is we will go to validate equivalence and just click select all the mesh and just go to review. It will say this elements are connected, needs to be equivalence. I will just click on equivalence. Done. So if I can hide this solid, this way you can do the hex mesh of a sphere. So I have shown you two ways. One is relatively easy, and one is like doing this. But the advantage of doing with the second method is like there are no pentagon elements like the tetra, the pentagon elements, the one where we are just mapping from the tri element. So there are basically no 3D tri element or penta element. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye.